Namaste and good morning. So today we're gonna work on two postures. First we're gonna go to Utthita Parsvakonasana and then we're gonna go to Virabhadrasana III. So first step is open your legs or jump, and then you are turning your right foot to the right side, left foot little bit inside 45-degree angle, then you are bending your right leg. Make sure that your knee and heel are in line. Then you are bringing your right hand inside the right foot, and then you're taking your left arm over the head and taking it toward the ceiling. Now you are looking at your left hand or the right foot. So for modification, you can use the blocks here. Maybe one block or two, whatever is comfortable. There are options here. Now, if you feel comfortable here, then you can reverse this posture where you are bringing your left hand on the floor and taking your right arm toward the ceiling. Again, you can use a block here. It's easier. Breathe. Hold for a couple of breaths and then bring your hands on the floor. From here, we're gonna go to Warrior 3. Options here. First step is you are coming to your left toe, keeping your right heel and right knee in line, and then either you are using the blocks. So put your hands on the block. Maybe I will come to it here, and then you are shifting your weight on the front foot and walking your left leg forward, and same time you are straightening your right leg and start lifting your left leg. So you might be here, or adjust the blocks. Try to keep your right leg straight. You might be here. Pay attention to your hips. They should be like this. They should be square, not like this. So when you are lifting your left leg up, pay attention to that. You might be here. Stay and build the strength. Feel the stretch on your right calf muscle and your right hamstring. And you're gonna get an intense stretch on your hips. Stay here or slowly maybe lift up. Keep your maybe fingers on the floor. Option here, either you can bring your arms in the side or maybe try to wrap your leg with your hands, or full posture is you are taking your both arms to the front. So you're getting intense, and then slowly come back, bring the foot down, and you can inhale. Bring your both arms up toward the ceiling and turn your right foot to the front, and then walk your both feet together. The same thing you can try with the other side. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Namaste.